Hey guys, it's me, Brandy, and I am super excited to show you what I got from Collective Cosmetics. It came in the mail today, and I'm so super excited. So first I've got this amazingness. It is the Death by Light eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to open it and swatch it for you guys. And I also got some eyeshadows. I've got several eyeshadows, which I'm super excited about as well, and I will show you those as well. Let's see, and then also I got this little lip gloss as basically it was a gift, and then I have some eyeshadows that were a gift as well. But anyhow, if you guys aren't aware, Collective Cosmetics, an indie makeup company, and they make pretty much everything. They're really awesome, and they are very, very supportive. Actually think I would say they're definitely one of my favorite indie brands. This is the owners. And then they wrote me a little note on the other side, and it says, "Thank you for always supporting us. We've included free fill." I don't know what it says, but there's a free something as well from the Baby's Breath collection, XOXO. I love them, and it's Sarah and Joe that are so super awesome. And I have actually supported them almost from the beginning. I would say probably like maybe a couple of months after they started their company, I started purchasing from them. So I honestly like them a lot. They're amazing. So this is the amazing palette. Look at how beautiful it is. I'm so super excited. I am going to swatch it for you. I think I'm going to save this for the end, and I'm going to go ahead and open up the single shadows, and I'm going to open that up to put in my palette of single shadows of theirs that I've got. I think I have one of these shadows in, I've got it in one of my I've got it in one of my palettes that I made. And this is Loon, and this is a matte multi-chrome. I know that's hard to believe, but it is a matte multi-chrome. So this is what it looks like. I mean, it does have some shimmer, but it is matte. I mean, it really is. Now I'll put the multi-chromes up there. Okay. And then the next one I have is called it's called Berry Christmas, and it is a beautiful shimmer. Look at that, so pretty. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right, the next one that I got is this army green, and it's called Cash Only. And it's literally just a super army green. All right, next, next I got Lycanthrope, which is one that I've wanted for a very long time. It is a green to purple duochrome. I don't know if you can see that. It's so cool looking. Look at that. I want to say this is from the Werewolf collection. It's so pretty. It's so beautiful. So many singles that I am going to have to move these into a larger palette. Yep. And then I have Howl, and this is also from the Werewolf collection. Look at that. So beautiful. Look at how beautiful that is. It's my crazy song. And then the last one, which was my little gift, is pink. And this looks like it might be like a satin. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, it was Pink Gypsum was the name of that other one. And I was right, it's a semi-matte. So that was that last one. Okay, beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna have to start storing these differently. All right, next I'm going to put this is a lip lacquer. I think it's eye and lip lacquer. Oh, that's a pretty color. It smells really good too. It kind of smells like honey. Maybe not honey. It kind of smells like it though. All right, next I'm gonna swatch this beauty, this Death by Light palette. Oh, it's so pretty. And this is still available. And I'm gonna swatch that over here. Okay, so I am gonna go, because the way that the shades are set up is down in rows, so that's how I'm gonna do it. So okay, so they're not named. We have this one. It says Sooty Charcoal, and it is a matte. And then we have another, this one is blue. It's a stunning blue, it says. Ooh, that is a nice blue. And then we have stunning teal. Luckily, this is not a palette I'll be using on anybody because it's all mine. Okay. Then we have satin, which is a ruby red. And it is a satin. And then we have a bejeweled purple. Look how pretty that is. And we have a pink mauve. Then we have the foils, and we have, this one is a blinding silver. Ooh, that's beautiful. Then we have a peridot gold. Oh, this is a rosy copper. And then last we have a peridot gold. So I would say that's like a green gold. I would say that that's actually a green gold. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, so those are, that is the palette. So those are all of my swatches of the palette and of my shimmers that I got. So that is it. That's everything. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you very, very, very soon.